Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the "your precise location could not be determined" error on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is up and running before proceeding with the troubleshooting steps, as this ensures all system components are properly initialized. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows Start menu located in your taskbar and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Settings window where you can access various system configurations. From this window, look for the Privacy option and click on it. The privacy settings control how apps and services access your personal information, including your location data. Within the privacy settings, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Location. Click on it to open your location settings. This section manages which apps and services are allowed to access your device's location information. First, make sure to allow access to location on your device by clicking the toggle button. This is a crucial step because without this enabled, no apps will be able to determine your precise location. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Allow desktop apps to access your location. Toggle this option on as well. Enabling this setting ensures that traditional desktop applications, not just modern Windows apps, can access your location data when needed. This is often where the error originates, as many users overlook this specific permission. Once both options are enabled, head back to your Start menu. This time, right-click on it instead of left-clicking. A context menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on Device Manager. The Device Manager is where all your hardware components are listed and managed, and it's essential for troubleshooting hardware-related issues. In the Device Manager window, look for the View option located at the top of the window. Click on it and make sure to enable the Show Hidden Devices option. This reveals hardware components that Windows normally keeps hidden from view, which is important because GPS sensors are often hidden by default. Now, look through your device list for GPS sensors. Once you locate it, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Updating the driver ensures your GPS hardware has the latest software to communicate properly with Windows 11, which often resolves location accuracy issues. Wait a moment while Windows searches for and installs any available driver updates. And that's it. You've successfully addressed the main causes of the precise location error on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.